Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to lock your Facebook profile officially. So, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the menu icon, then tap on your profile to open it. Next, tap the three dots next to the Edit Profile button. Here, you'll see an option called Lock Profile. Tap on it. Facebook will show you a quick preview of what happens when your profile is locked. Now, tap Lock Your Profile to confirm. From now on, only your friends can see your photos, posts, and stories. If you don't see the Lock Profile option, don't worry. This usually means you're using professional mode. To fix this, go back to your profile settings and turn off professional mode. After that, the Lock Profile option should appear. If you still don't see the option, it may be because this feature isn't available in your country yet. In that case, you can apply similar privacy settings manually. Go to Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Now, scroll down and select How People Find and Contact You. From here, change all options to Friends or Only Me. Then go back and tap Followers and Public Content, and again set everything to Friends or Only Me. This will give your profile strong privacy protection, similar to a locked profile. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.